Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Managing Google Cloud costs are very tricky, especially when your Google Cloud bill arrives and it's hard to figure out where all the money is going. In this video, I'll show you how to export your billing data from the Cloud Console into BigQuery so you can analyze it, visualize trends, detect unusual spending patterns. And if you're interested in taking it another step, we can use Google's Agent Development Kit or ADK to build an intelligent AI agent that automatically analyzes your cloud costs. I've already built a tutorial around it. You can check that out. The link's in the description. It acts like a smart assistant for your cloud bills, so you know exactly where you're spending and you can grab insights in natural language. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to export your billing data from the Cloud Console to BigQuery for more analysis. So let's get started. So the first step in this video is to log in into your Google Cloud Console and then go to the billing section. So here I've logged in into my Google Cloud Console and I've come into my current project. In case you want to change your project, you can click on the project, select project button and select different projects that you want to work with. But for now, we're going to click on the navigation menu, scroll down here and click on billing. In case you want to go from a different route, you can always search for billing here, click on enter. And it brings me to this. You can always set your billing accounts, but I'm going to click on go to linked billing account. That's going to be my current billing account that I'm using. And I can see my reports here, my current data that is available here. And the first thing that's going to be is going to go to the billing export section. When you come to the screen, you can see something known as the standard usage cost, followed by the detailed usage cost and pricing, and a committed use discounts export. Now these are different types of data sets that you can export from your billing to your BigQuery. The first one is just going to be a standard usage cost, where it's going to be telling you what is your cost per day in a very simple and standard manner. If you want more detailed understanding of your billing, you can always generate the detailed usage costs. In case you just want to know how much each service costs on the Cloud Console, maybe compute engines, this feature costs how much in this region, you can use the pricing data set for that. Now basically to export it, I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to disable one of this one. I'm going to say disable BigQuery export and I'm going to show you how it looks like if you're doing it for the first time. Now for the first time you will see it's going to be showing you disabled. So you can click on edit settings. And the first thing that you want to do before you do this is create a dedicated BigQuery dataset. So I'm going to open up my console again and I'm going to go to BigQuery. I'm going to search BigQuery and I'm going to click on that. So your first step would be to create a dedicated dataset. So I'm going to click on create dataset, give it a dataset ID, just say trial underscore export. That's going to be there. I'm going to copy that name just in case. You can always change the project you're working under. Select multi-region, that's fine. Specify your regions. And just once you're done, just click on create dataset. So you can see my new dataset is ready. That's going to be trial underscore export. And this is the BigQuery interface. You can generate SQL queries, work with it here. But I'm going to go back here. I'm going to select the current project I'm working in. And I'm going to see exactly, you can see when I click on select the data set, it gives me the trial underscore export one. But in case you haven't created a data set, you can always create a new data set from here. So I'm going to click on trial export and I'm going to click on save. Now it takes from a few minutes to a few hours for all the data to be transferred. But to give you a thumbs up, the data is in process right now and it will soon be transferred to this particular data set that you have that is known as trial export. But for now, let's look at it, how it looks once the data is exported. So I'm going to switch to the project that has my billing export data. And I can see if I click on the billing export underscore text, I can see my data sets. I'm going to open up the first one and you can click on preview. And this is what your data set looks like with all your expenses and other details that are mentioned here. So this is basically how you can transfer your billing data to BigQuery for further analysis. Now to confirm whether you have the right data, you can always look at the data, view it, and you can generate SQL queries here by just telling Gemini to generate them for you and interact with your data. But this process is very slow. You'll have to write queries, you'll have to identify the projects, other services, etc. To make the entire process easier to understand your data, we can use something known as Google's Agent Development Kit, which automatically creates an agent, or you create an agent that monitors your BigQuery billing data. It gives you information back in natural language. And if you're looking to learn how to build an AI agent that helps you analyze your costs better, you can check out that link in the description. It shows you how you can build an entire AI agent that connects to your BigQuery dataset using MCP Toolbox for databases and Google's Agent Development Kit. But this is where we sum up this short video of exporting your billing data from the Google Cloud Console to BigQuery for further analysis, and you can do that for all of them. You can just have to click on Edit Settings. You have to select the project, you have to link a data set, give it a region, and this is going to be for the first time. So this is what it's going to be looking like. Specify a region, link a data set, and click on Save, and your data will be transferred within few minutes to a few hours. I'll be leaving all the official documentation links in the description. You can check that out. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.